The lush greenery of the river valley. Gentle current. Beautiful river meanders. Rich aquatic vegetation. A place where time flows at its own rhythm, where the only thing that counts is the contact with nature, where you can forget about everyday life for a moment and relax away from the noise of the city. Welcome to Extremely Low Cost Travels. Kayaking along Black Nida River. The Black Nida River, flowing in the Świętokrzyskie province, is a real paradise for lovers of kayaking and water adventures. Its picturesque areas attract people who want to take a break from everyday routine. The ability to explore the Black Nida from a kayak offers a unique opportunity to admire its picturesque banks, lush aquatic vegetation, and numerous wild animals. The river flows through charming valleys where one can enjoy very beautiful landscapes. The surroundings of the river include fields and meadows, as well as beautiful forested areas. However, the most impressive features are the numerous meandering bends that give the river a typically lowland character. There aren't many obstacles on the river, so the water current is usually gentle. Exploring the Nida Valley by kayak is a great opportunity to fully immerse yourself in the beauty of nature and to get away from the hustle and bustle of the city. In this material we present a very easy kayaking route. We start the trip in Nida village and end it in the village of Tokarnia. The river flows lazily here with occasional minor rapids. The riverbed is decorated with tree trunks and small islands. Sometimes you need to navigate around protruding branches. And in the reeds you can encounter ducklings. Near the village of Ostrów, a sandy shore with a small beach encourages you to take a break and rest. Black Nida is a shallow river, rarely exceeding 1 meter in depth. Near the ruins of a mill, in the village of Wolica, it is necessary to move the kayak on the ground. There is a water stage and a small power plant with an Archimedes turbine with a capacity of 38 kilowatts. Further on, the river flows calmly through forests and meadows. Sometimes harmless obstacles appear, for example fallen trees. We end the trip behind the bridge leading to the village of Tokarnia, after crossing a small rapid.